Tidak ready.
Okay. All kind. I didn't know. Huh?
Hey.
Three.
Zero.
Big three, no?
Okay.
Below that one, and then one is
Two pillar
someone
modern, no?
here.
Main pillar.
No. R pillar
Ah,
is somewhere here. No?
River
Line.
pillar.
Yeah. Reference pillar. And this side already submerged.
This has a good tourism potential.
Of course.
River beach. Seems 150. People should come on the site to not sit in the room.
Lagao, safety jacket lagao. Just tight it so don't
रहते कि वहीं पे
Bangladesh.
Reference point.
However, the NDC now it goes like 900 something.
Almost 1 kilometer.
Almost 1 kilometer.
Kene ring seperti sarah dulu buat mensua. Kene ka jeka hangnya de ke jong Jibril India. Te hau kat kendai spa san thun riu mula wan thung gini gitulah. Kalau wan thung gini gitulah hila do no gitu gitulah. Kikot gitulah dia. Hila do no gitu gitulah. Setang ke Zimbabwe bat ke Jngoh dia. Om dan su sementara nanti kiyo wan le ko. Sementara tekannya setang ke Zimbabwe. Om dan su. Kita tu bicara hila do.
Earlier, this also belongs to to our people.
Om dan kita kiba nung yalam kiba pek ya kata gaji. Yang liar jauh.
They did the demarcation. They put them.
So once upon a time we already lost, and now again another time also we will lose again. So 2 times, 3 times. And then who will bear for us?
Kalau kalau kepala tu sarkar ke lala bania keren tersar don kita kata kumba kuat ke si IB bania pembeli yo pun sam don kita kata kan dia ke jongka bagan jongka Bangladesh garden Teko Department Forest kedon hang kita ki jekaru ki bangla ke India bandia pendon kam. Kene ke jekaru ke sarkar ke senjinge bha. Kalau lagi la bandia bujili yaki niki pilar na unang way in pendo yuta usan unri uru jong ke India hang pe utaru. Sa jiro